Welcome to Module 1, Creating a Written Plan of Action. Time management has to do with understanding how every action that you take impacts your daily productivity, which means that we need to create a repeatable process for how to do the things that we need to accomplish in the most efficient and effective manner. The daily progress report is that single tool. Every day you're going to download the daily progress report and use it to create your written daily plan of action. As you look at this one-page piece of paper, you'll notice that it's broken into various sections. It's allocated like real estate. So each section of the daily progress report has a specific function, and I'm going to walk you through those functions as we get started. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is look at the date of the daily progress report and place the date into these slots. We want you to take ownership of your day. That's step one, is to download the daily progress report, place in today's date, and say, today matters. I'm going to take ownership of today. The next piece is what we call the 5 before 11 list. This is where you write down the 5 most important tasks that you will commit to accomplish before 11 a.m. It's one of the key elements. It's taking those things from your to-do list, all of the things that you could do, and narrowing them down to what are the 5 most important things I will do today. The next segment is 7-minute life connections. It is really important in business and in life to stay connected. Who do you want to talk to today? Write those names down. Potentially it's a prospect or a mentor or someone that you want to know. It could just be a college friend or a relative that you want to say happy birthday to. But staying connected is an important part of all of our lives and helps us create meaning and purpose. This section, or allocation of the page, is called the unfinished task list. This is where you might want to write down anything that you just don't forget to do. So you may write down, I need to go pick up the milk, or don't forget to wash your son's soccer uniform, or any of these things that come up during the day. It's a single location to capture anything that is unfinished. As we get closer to the bottom right, you'll see a section for gratitudes. What are you most grateful for today? Writing down those things that mean the most to you. Even farther down, there's a section that we call psychological triggers, making sure that you stay hydrated by drinking enough water. How much sleep are you getting? How much exercise? Are you reading and reflecting? What did you eat? Just keeping up. It's a daily progress report. It's measuring your forward motion. At the end of the day, you're going to come down and ask yourself one simple question. Did I do what I said I would do today? It's a key element to constantly moving forward. The daily progress report is that key tool to keep you on track. You're going to take 7 minutes in the morning and 7 minutes in the evening, and you can begin to master the daily progress report beginning now.